Hi, this is Alan for Ripperton Resources LLC. Today I want to announce a new mount for this 2648-20 orbital sander. It's a Packout mount, mounts on the Packout Wall. Just like our other mounts, this will snap into place when inserted into the slots. So just take it, slide it in, and it snaps into place. To remove it, simply use the tabs that are on each side, push them in and pull it up and out. The product can be put into place, and you can see it's, even if it's bumped, it's not going to fall off. The easiest way is to just set it straight on there. It takes up two slots, or 2 rows by 2 columns in the Packout Wall mounting system. You can place the orbital sander on the mount with or without the dust collector. It'll work with it or without it. Your choice. The battery cannot be installed. It comes in 2 standard colors, the black and the red. If you want a different color, you can certainly request one, and we can do our best to try to find the color you requested. These are available now and can be purchased off our website. Ripperton Resources offers 3D design, scanning, and printing services. We can work with a wide range of materials, from general purpose materials such as PLA and PETG, through engineering materials, nylons and carbon fiber nylons, glass-filled nylons, through high performance materials, and then all the way up to ultra performance materials such as PEEK. About half of our Milwaukee tool mounts are from customer suggestions. If you have a custom application or product idea, we'd love to discuss it with you. We can work with you to bring that application or product idea to reality. For more information, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com, or you can email us at contact@rippertonresources.com. Thank you and have a great day.